Hey everyone, the Acemagic Retro X5 is a small PC that immediately stands out thanks to its unmistakable retro-inspired design, clearly modeled after the iconic Nintendo Entertainment System. At first glance, it feels like a nostalgic tribute to classic gaming hardware. But beneath that familiar exterior lies a modern and extremely powerful system that goes far beyond simple visual homage. This contrast between old-school styling and cutting-edge internals is what defines the Retro X5 and makes it particularly intriguing for retro gaming enthusiasts and compact PC fans alike. The Retro X5 is powered by AMD's Ryzen AI 9HX370, a processor that is in a completely different universe in terms of performance. This level of power ensures that the Retro X5 is not only capable of running classic 8-bit and 16-bit games with ease, but also handling more demanding emulation tasks such as Dreamcast, PlayStation 2, GameCube, and potentially even newer platforms depending on configuration and software optimization. Beyond emulation, this hardware opens the door to productivity tasks, light content creation, and even modern PC gaming at modest settings. Retro gaming is clearly a central focus of the Retro X5, and Acemagic is leaning heavily into that identity with its Retro Play Box software. This all-in-one solution is designed to provide a console-like experience, featuring a dedicated interface optimized for controllers and emulation management, similar to what users may be familiar with on modern gaming handhelds. The idea is simplicity and accessibility, allowing users to load their ROM libraries and jump straight into gaming without the complexity often associated with setting up emulators on a traditional PC. What truly sets the Retro X5 apart from other retro mini PCs is Acemagic's ambition to integrate AI-driven features into the Retro Playbox ecosystem. The company claims that ongoing development will introduce advanced functionality that goes beyond basic game organization or recommendations. Potential features such as AI-powered real-time translations could be especially valuable for classic games that were never officially localized outside of Japan, making previously inaccessible titles more enjoyable for a global audience. AI-assisted gameplay hints or guidance could also enhance the experience for players tackling notoriously difficult retro titles. Importantly, these features are expected to run locally, leveraging the NPU built into the Ryzen AI 9HX370, eliminating the need for cloud-based services and preserving responsiveness and privacy. In terms of physical design and connectivity, the Retro X5 keeps things compact and minimalist, consistent with its console-inspired aesthetic. The available images show a clean front panel equipped with two USB Type-A ports, a USB Type-C port, and a headphone jack, which should be sufficient for connecting controllers, external storage, and audio devices. At this stage, Acemagic has not disclosed pricing, availability, or complete technical details, leaving several key questions unanswered. However, the concept alone positions the Retro X5 as one of the more interesting mini PCs on the horizon. By combining a powerful Ryzen AI processor, a nostalgic design language, and a growing software ecosystem tailored for retro gaming, Acemagic appears to be targeting users who want both performance and personality in a compact form factor. If the final product delivers on its promises, the Retro X5 could become a standout option for retro enthusiasts who want a modern, future-proof system wrapped in a design that celebrates gaming history. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave your opinion in the comments. Have a nice day and God bless you.